nickel is the reason why more and more motorists are turning in at the sign of Sinclair. The exclusive nickel compound in Sinclair Gasolines has been proved in tests to reduce engine wear as much as 29%. With liquid nickel, lost power is restored. You save on repairs and roll up more miles per dollar. Money-saving nickel, exclusively yours in Sinclair, Dino, and Dino Supreme gasolines. And now take advantage of this special offer. A powerful 6-transistor Sinclair radio at a very special price. Only $3.98 at your Sinclair dealers. Take it with you everywhere you go. Case, battery, earphone, and it's only $3.98 while they last. Where you see this sign at your Sinclair dealer.